So I did a thing. This is so hard to watch. I've come a long way. Around this time was when my medical condition had got really unpredictable. So I would wake up not knowing the type of day I was gonna have. Even at work, at home, I would be having episodes just like this. And it was really tough. And I wanted to make sure that I included these types of clips in this vlog because being transparent about what I was going through helps explain why I'm so frustrated and irritable at times, but also shows why I'm so appreciative of little pockets of joy that I get, like what I'm going to show you at the rest of this vlog. So keep watching. Good morning. It is 6:30. Yeah, 6:37. My week's vacation is looking like a bust right now because I had all these things planned and Mother Nature is like, oh, I'm just sad. I'm just sad. It's like every time I want to just be, here we go, something trying to hinder me, like, and give me anxiety and stress. 1 week I have. So fucking annoying. And then I forgot that NJ Transit is going on strike on Friday. They're going on strike on Friday, so technically I really only have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So I have 4 days to do everything I want to do that I know I'm going to need NJ Transit for and not just an Uber. And that's like, oh my God. Also, like, I have to do like the patio content, which I'm just gonna do now. It changes so many things. But it's okay. What I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna take a shower, get ready, put some makeup on because I wanna like try to film the content. Depending on how this one goes, I think I can like solidly say that I won't be doing any more collabs with them in this way. I did everything right, like. So anyway, I'm trying to hurry up and like take my hair out and stuff. I was gonna try and put makeup on, but I really don't have time. I need to go blow dry this. Also, look how tightly curled this is versus this one back here. I actually hate this, bro. Anyway, let me go dry my hair because I need to leave in an hour and a half to make it to this appointment. I'm gonna come back, change, do some makeup, and then go to VLECK. Go to Montclair. Y'all, so by the grace of God, all of these pieces are already assembled. I literally just folded them out. Amazing. Like, these are literally so gorgeous. And this is the table, again, just folds out and then connects to the bar. Like, beautiful. I'm about to do the rug now. It's a real world outside. Take off your idols. big set. Like, it like takes up almost the entire balcony. I feel like this goes with it. And then I think I might put my strawberry in that corner. Here, set the mood right, you know. I love doing this. This is what I want to do. Like, it's simple shit like this. And just like, I could do this. With the rug, oh, this rug color too, just goes with everything. I did such an amazing job. Okay, I almost forgot that like I need to take footage of me like actually sitting and using the thing. So in the meantime, in between time, what I'll do now is try to edit some of the footage now just to see like if everything is looking how I want it to look, and charge this because I do want to like head out like right after I come back from the hospital. This one is like just a checkup, so like I don't want to jinx it, but it should be easy and fast. But again, if my track record serves me right, the last like year, every time I go in the hospital, I come out with something else. This chair I'm gonna put in my other balcony. I just don't feel like doing it right now. I'm so tired. I feel like I should just go. Should I just go now? I should just go and wait there. Taking this bag today. I feel like a Miffy would go well, but I'm just gonna taking him today. Taking him to the rodeo. Oh my god, it has 2 side pockets. Oh my god, I didn't even realize that. 12:30, bitch. Why I get there early? I get there at... Future me is here to explain this whole situation and why I was so furious. It's kind of sad, like, because like all of this has been months already, but now I'm like remembering it as I'm editing this vlog, and I'm getting mad all over again because when I say this hospital is the worst hospital in Newark, New Jersey, it has been this way since I was born. It has always been the running joke of this hospital about how terrible they are. So from the top to the bottom, the worst people I have ever encountered in life. Everyone makes fun of this hospital. You go there because it's in network, it's close, like, you know, but it is literally where you get the worst service. The doctors there do not give a fuck. No one gives a fuck. They all hate their lives, and they work there to get some type of power, but it never really helps for real because you're still miserable in real life. Anyway, I got there at 9:37. My appointment was at 10. Why didn't I get seen until 10:45? She had to like stop in the middle because she had to go help her other patient that she left hanging, you know, so she had to go finish that. She's like, just give me 5 minutes, bro. Takes longer than 5 minutes, of course. So I'm getting annoyed and I'm like, is the doctor around? You know, I open the door. I'm like, is the doctor around? You know, my appointment was at 10. It is now 11:30. Like, what are we doing here? Like, I have to go. I guess she heard me because she was in the other room and these walls are thin as fuck. She comes and she's like, oh, you know, I know you have to go. I know you've been waiting for a long time, so let's just do the physical, right? And then we'll be done. Gave me a prescription for that. Cool. So she ends the thing. We're done. So then she leaves. She's like, I'll be right back in 5 minutes because all I need to do is get your paperwork. So I'm like, okay, like I can go like in 5 minutes. I'm waiting there. I'm on my phone and I look up and I'm like, mind you, the physical part that she did literally lasted like 10 minutes. Babe, I get up to leave. I'm like, I don't give a fuck anymore. Like, I'm leaving now. What are we doing? So I go to leave and I'm like looking for the exit and like the nursing station is like right in the center. And she's like, huh? The nurse. And I'm like, yeah, like which way is the exit? I can't remember like where we go. She's like, oh, I don't think you can leave yet. Like your doctor has to come back with your paperwork. And I said, I've been here for over 2 hours. My appointment was at 10. I don't care. Can you just like wait like 5 more minutes? 5 minutes go by. Another nurse comes because I'm about to leave again. She's like, let me just go like talk to her and see like what's up. 2 seconds later, she gives the nurse the paperwork, right? Walks right past me with her friend, who I guess is another doctor. They're going to lunch because it's lunchtime. So I'm like, you were ready this whole time. You was waiting while you was waiting for your friend. Then you was going to give me my shit after you knew I was waiting forever for you bitches. Like, honestly, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to call her that, but... And then it's like, you just walked past me to not even I'm sorry, because I guess you're mad because I'm complaining about something that's your problem. Turns out the resident is over there keying with her friend. They're just talking on the phone. Another doctor trying to figure out where they're going for lunch. So they hear me complaining. So I complain louder, like, because I was about to leave again. I complain a little bit louder because I know that she can hear me in the room, because we can hear her and her little friend. So the nurse is like, hold on, let me just go check again. Magically gets the papers to print in 2 minutes, right? And then this freaking resident had the audacity with her and her friend to walk past me and not say anything. No sorry, And that'd be my thing. People will do you wrong and be mad at you reacting to them doing you wrong. Because I could have cursed you the fuck out at this hospital and made you feel like embarrassed, but I didn't. I kept it cute. And you're upset that I'm getting upset now, because now it has been almost 3 hours, because I got there at 9:45. I wasn't done till 12:30. So essentially 12:45. That's three hours for a 20-minute appointment. But it's very on brand for these type of people, because this is supposed to be a stress-free day, you know? Like, I hate this because it's like, this whole thing just ruined my mood, and I have to learn how to control that. Like, I have to stop allowing people to control my mood. Ugh, I gotta put makeup on. I gotta change my outfit. I'm excited. Okay, I'm done. I did makeup. I actually wore like a tinted moisturizer today. I've been loving this Milk one a lot. These lashes are holding on literally for dear life. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna go to the gardens first. Yeah, it's 1:30 right now. Okay, I'm ready to leave now. I'm gonna call this Uber, but take a look at the outfit. So this is so beautiful. I feel so much better already. What the heck? VLECK House and Garden, which is a botanical garden in Montclair, New Jersey. Montclair might be one of the most beautiful places in New Jersey, I will say that. This is the hard thing too with like doing things by yourself. You don't got anyone to take your picture. I always say that, but it's like, it's so true. Like, I just want a picture right here. This sun is beautiful. Oh my God. This is such a beautiful day. I just love this section of the vlog so much because you can clearly see how much my mood had changed from earlier that day with, you know, the other people. And that was just really a testament of what I was going through at the time, especially because I was learning not to let certain moments ruin my whole day, you know? I think I even mentioned it earlier in the vlog, but I just love how happy I was just to be out in nature. This is so pretty. This fountain, are there coins in there? I should have brought my coins. You hear those birds are chirping. I'm gonna be so real. Sometimes I do like fun things like this and I'm like, ugh, this would be so fun to do with someone romantically. Like, these things are so romantic to me. Like, I love romancing myself too, you know? Romantic things don't just have to be reserved for like when you're with a partner, but when I'm doing romantic things like this, I'm like, this would be so cute with me and my man holding hands. Honestly, I just need more people in my life that are down to do this. Nothing. Boring, corny, romantic things like this. I'm one of those people that think that sometimes things are better done alone, but at the same time, I wouldn't mind coming again with a special someone. I'm a Pisces, I can't help it, okay? Oh, they're bunnies! There are bunny rabbits! That's what I heard rolling through here. Oh my God. I wish I can, hold on, let's see. Hold on. Hold on.
Was like, oh, like, you didn't take any advice.
Hopping away.
Like, get a snack.
Oh my gosh. Being a lover girl is so annoying sometimes, but nothing that I've ever experienced will ever stop me from being one. I just refuse to have a cold heart. But anyway, I had spent a lot of years just being independent and on my own, and I finally opened myself up to receiving, and it didn't really turn out right, but I didn't let that get me down. And when I felt myself closing off and saying, look, I'm done, I don't like men at all anymore, blah 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 blah, I would have solo experiences like this and be wondering, man, it would be so nice to be holding a man's hand, a man that likes me and is nice to me's hand, okay? But I didn't know it at this time. I was getting ready to be put in a period of solitude so that I could shake up out of those thoughts, you know? I didn't have no friends, no man, and I just had to focus on myself seriously. Yeah, you'll see that in the upcoming vlogs. It helped me understand that I need to have some strong boundaries and not allow other people to cross them. So good. Oh, I want to cry. I cried a little bit when I first got here. Relax, girl. My mouth was watering just looking at the name of the restaurant again because I'm remembering how good this seafood boil was. I had not had a seafood boil in New Jersey ever, and my first time having a seafood boil period was just like 6 months prior to this. But I had such a good time this day, and just looking back at this whole experience today, it's amazing how much your day can change and how much in control you are of your day. You can't control how people behave, but you can control your reactions, and you can also control the outcome. Old me would have had a bad experience that lasted a few hours or something and said, well, I'm gonna take the rest of the day and go to sleep and stay in bed and watch TV or whatever. I'm so happy that I took myself out. You know, I didn't wait for anyone. I said, I want to feel better. I'm gonna go do this experience. And I did it. And I'm smiling the whole time. I love that so much for me. I've come a long way.